My name is Akindisu, and I'm on a mission to impact our lives by improving the conditions of the fishing communities through the Right on the Beach initiative. Right on the Beach is an advocacy-based initiative that hopes to bring about behavioral change by doing what's right on the beach, showing, not just telling. It is based on the concept that value depends on the valuer and the paradox of value, which makes clean air, which is invaluable, free, but a diamond, which is essentially useless, valuable. By placing a value on our continued existence in balance with the environment, we wish to address this paradox of value, bringing about behavioral change in the community. There's a big disconnect concerning the importance of our fisheries and the sustainability of the communities that our fish comes from along our western coastline. This was made abundantly clear to me during the lockdown and subsequent hikes I have taken along the coast to meet the communities, where I have participated in many fishing expeditions, sending several tons of fish to the city. Unfortunately, this rich harvest is seriously under threat due to our neglect and blind production of plastic waste. We can choose to do nothing, or we can take a stand to support the cleanup of the shoreline and hopefully manage the problem. There are many lessons to be learned along the way. Right on the Beach initiative revolves around the Right on the Beach festival, which comes up in November. We take a week to focus on the effects of climate change and ways to educate the general public in order to mitigate the effects of climate change. It is a free festival which requires participants to become plastic neutral through the purchase of plastic neutral certificates, where we sell socialized ocean plastic retrieved from our western peninsula. Last year, our flagship project was Ocean School, a scheme which socialized the plastic collected by the communities, turning them into scholarships. Choosing plastic pollution and education as the focus for our efforts, we evacuated 3,200 kilograms or 72,000 bottles, created 24 jobs, trained 80 youths, and provided 90 scholarships. During the festival, we are able to create base data for a myriad of different things, like numbers of plastic pieces present on the beach, the extent of mangrove forest, water temperature, and a base of wildlife to build on. We did this while engaging 50 young volunteers on the need to protect the environment. Supporting us will not only hopefully stabilize the fish stock, but will also provide relevant information to help protect against climate change. It will help create a generation of climate-aware youths to repair the ecosystem. A clean beach is an asset we can all be proud of. By supporting the communities, we ensure the tradition of fishing lives on, providing us with necessary protein in the form of delicious fish. This year, we are initiating the Ocean Guardian scheme involving the communities as a whole, in partnership with CEIP, Secular Economy Innovation Partners, and LACEPA, amongst others. I have a dream to clean up the beach along the full 74 kilometers of coastline through community engagement. An ambitious project. We hope to scale through measured steps. Last year, we moved roughly a ton every 3 months or school term. We have acquired a pickup truck, and this year we would like to scale these operations to a ton a month. We have the necessary capacity to do this, but we need your help. There is a lot more we would like to get done for our environment, but we need to work together. We'd like you to consider asking your workplace to join us in the effort by becoming corporate sponsors of our initiative. Sponsorship starts at 1.5 million naira and include a range of benefits. Please find the link attached below. I have provided a breakdown of the sponsorship scheme and benefits in the link below. Please click on it and let me know if this is something your organization can get involved with. Thank you.